Folks, I'm in love. I'm excited and thrilled to announce that I've fallen madly and deeply in love with Samsung portable hard drives, guys. Today we will be unboxing the Samsung portable SSD T9 drive. Now guys, I have been editing with the T7 drive, Samsung portable SSD, solid state drive, if y'all don't know what that means. I have not used the T9 yet. Now this T9 goes 2,000 megabytes a second. This thing will upload, download, allow you to edit, Photoshop, quicker than Speedy Gonzalez. Yes. Speedy Gonzalez, this thing's faster. That was one fast mouse. And just to compare, a couple years ago, folks, I did a video about the Lacy portable hard drives. And these are beautiful hard drives. I had about like 8 or 9 of these guys. And they've helped me out through the last couple years. I said at the time, these are the best portable hard drives there was. And folks, I still think they're great hard drives, but this is only coming in about 430 megabytes a second. It's coming in at 2,000. 4 times the speed, baby. 4 times. Now, without further ado, let's get this sucker open. All right, guys, so I'm gonna talk you through the process of opening it. The Samsung boxes, they have a nice feel to them. They have a really nice feel to them. They're really sleek, they're smooth. They do a good job of designing the box. That's what I've noticed with these drives. And you know, this is a beautiful, unique design that has really held the test of time. Is that the right test of time?
Withstood the test of time.
This has really withstood the test of time. Ooh, there it is. There it is. There's the Samsung. That's the T9, baby. That's what you know, the T9. Nice structure right there. Nice and safe, secure. You can already tell there's ripples versus the T7 versus the T9. T9's like a smoother kind of feel to it. There's like a rippling kind of textured feel to the T9. I think that's a style choice right there. That's a design choice. I dig it, but it's a nice little rubber feel. It's like very sturdy rubber. Durability, that's what you want out of a hard drive. Take it on the go, take it while you're hiking, take it on the road, take it while you're fishing. Maybe you're fishing out there and you want to upload some footage. Wow, nice thing, it does come with 2 different cords. It comes with a USB-C to A and a USB-C to C. Guys, we love the options. That's what you want out of a hard drive. That's what you want out of a company. Gives you the drive, gives you the options. I mean, the one thing that I've been really finding with the T7 drive is that I have really found a new love for editing and videography because this drive allows me to edit so much quicker. I never get that spinning wheel of death. You know, that little spinning wheel of death that Mac gives you that I would occasionally, and sometimes more often than not, get with this guy. With using these Samsung drives, it's really given me a new love for editing. I cannot wait to use this T9 one too, because the T9 with the 2,000 megabytes a second, I mean, I would imagine I don't get that spinning wheel ever. I hope. This drive right here is gonna give you more time in your day. It's gonna get things situated. It's gonna get things done for you. It's not gonna delay you when you're rendering, when you're uploading, when you're downloading. This is a drive to get if you're using your computer a lot for anything. Even if you have files, photos, videos, home stuff. What I found is, this is, it's not a cheap drive. It's about $300. This T9 runs about $300. But this Lacy one runs about $150. And yes, this is a 5 terabyte versus a 4 terabyte. But honestly, the amount of time that you'll save by using this drive is worth the money. It's worth the extra $100 in my opinion. There's nothing worse than when you're editing and you can't get things going, or the program crashes. Maybe that's due to the program, maybe it's computer, maybe it's your hard drive not working the footage fast enough. And I'll do my tests over the next few months. Maybe I'll circle back on this. Maybe I might be wrong, but based off my experience with the T7, this T9 I'm really excited for. I'm really excited to use. And I really feel like this is the drive of the future using these SSDs. And I know the SSD's been around for a minute, but now it's really gotten to the point where it is a little more affordable for the prosumer, for the person on the go, for someone that is just doing a freelance. The price range is just $299. I got at Best Buy. T7 is about $250 right now. The Lacy goes about $150, $160 on Amazon. Guys, I got links for all these down below in the info. So if you're interested in these drives, you want to learn more about them, you want to know what's going on, check those links out below. But I really, really advise you, if you're trying to do things quickly when you're video editing, when you're doing photo, when you're doing graphics, whatever you're doing, when you're just doing normal computing at home, you gotta get yourself one of these Samsung SSD drives because it's gonna save you time. And time is money, baby. Ain't that right, Rachel?
Oh yeah, baby.
All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned for the next one.